Easy, easy, easy. Treat! Treat, you got her, kid. Come on, Gracie, you can do it. My name is Matt. I'm the Disillusioned 1811, and I'm out here at Round Lake in Camas, Washington, and we just had mid-February snowstorm, so I'm out here just exploring. I trail run out here all the time, but it looks completely different with snow and ice. So there's not a lot of people. It's great. I can keep my dog off leash. So that's the adventure for today. Stick along and escape the matrix. Gracie, leave that stick alone. It did nothing to you. Okay, let's go. Come on. Wait for me. Good girl. Got it. Give me that stick. Give me that stick, you kid. That's my stick. Hey, give me that stick. That's my stick. Now be careful. Let's go see what's down here. Be careful now. Gracie. Get over here right now. Touch. Good girl. Look at that kid. You having fun? Ooh. Well, we're about ready to plug back into the matrix. So thanks for watching this short little adventure. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And don't forget to get out there and escape the matrix yourself.